Hey, it's me, Veronica Powers. I am filming on top of a hefty trash bag box. So get ready. I'm dying. I'm using natural daylight this time for my makeup so you can spot every flaw. So I'm thinking of something a little bit just colorful, playing with color. I'm semi-inspired by Blue Hydrangea. I've been watching Drag Race UK and I just love her use of color and everything. I'm like obsessed. So I'm gonna do something. I mean, I don't want to exactly copy her either. I just want to play with color. It's inspired me to play with color. Let's play with color. I'm gonna put my base on and I'll just catch up in a bit. Next, I'm gonna highlight my areas with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Natural. Okay, and to brighten up my highlight areas, I'm going to use a little bit of Mayron Cream White. For my contours, Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, let's get into it. Okay, so I finished my face, put some baking powder on. Now it's time for the eyes. So first things first, I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Minibreaker palette and dip into this purple shade right here called Purple Punch. Then I'm going to use the Norvina palette, that's Dirty Dirty, and diffuse this out with the shade Soul. I'm going to use the Blue Blood palette, and then I'm going to use the shade Flourishing, because teal. Then to darken up my eyes a little bit, smoke it out a little bit, I'm going to use the shade Undertaker. Going back into my cream white. And then going back into the Norvina palette and dipping into the shade Wild Child, this little bright pink one. And then going over with a bit of white liquid liner. And then I'm going to line my eyes with NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Pink Lust. Then to warm up my face, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Bronzer. For my lower eye, I'm going to use Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's one of the first lipsticks I got from that company, and it's the shade Breakfast at Tiffany's. I just want to play with more color, so I'm going to dip into this pink shade called Bubblegum and just extend my eye just a little bit lower and just do a little, like, this action. So next I'm going to go into the NYX blush palette and just use a nice orangey blush. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Cover FX setting spray. Back into this to line my lips. And then a High Shine NYX lip gloss. I'm just gonna doodle on myself in a bunch of different colors from different eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm done, so I'm just gonna throw something on and I'll be right back. I'm back. This is the finished look. I love this. Also, I got X's where my boobs should be because I'm that person. Yeah, do you like this? Oh, this is the crown that I won When I won Miss Congeniality in the very first cycle of the Boston Drag Gauntlet a while back. This wig I literally found in a box by one of my favorite drag queens in Boston, Champagne. And I felt like it's so chaotic that I don't even need to style it for this. I just think it's just perfectly, it just suits me, you know. Speaking of the Boston Drag Gauntlet, I am campaigning to be cast in the All Stars, which will take place around, I don't know, sometime early next year, and I really want to be in the cast. So, if you're not doing anything, why don't you go onto my Instagram at the Veronica Powers, click on the link in my bio, and vote for me so that way I can compete. Don't you want to see more of this? I mean, come on! Other than that, I really like how this turned out. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. I love creating things and just playing with all the colors. I feel like a freaking piece of candy. Someone eat me. Anyways, that's all I have for today. If you like this, be sure to like, comment, and, you know, share this with your other friends on Facebook. I'm also going to be posting this on my YouTube channel, probably. And probably something on Instagram. But yeah, follow me at the Veronica Powers on Instagram, Twitter, and Venmo because my birthday's coming up and I need some cash. That's all I have. Bye.